Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will begin by opening Google Drive and signing into the account that should store your contacts. Create a new Google Sheet called Contacts or upload an existing CSV to save time. Once done, set clear column headers: name, email, phone, address, and any custom field you need. This structure matters for import accuracy. Make sure the sheet is in the Drive folder you prefer so sharing and backups follow your folder rules, and confirm edit access for devices you'll use. Now focus on formatting and importing so names and emails map correctly. Check the sheet for merged cells, extra headers, and inconsistent phone formats. Clean these issues first to avoid duplicates. If you uploaded a CSV, open it with Google Sheets to convert it, then use Google Contacts import function to map columns to contact fields. Alternatively, run a small Google Apps script to create contacts programmatically when you have custom fields or many records to process. This ensures accurate sync across devices. Finish by verifying that contacts appear in Contacts, Google, Com, and on your phone or connected apps. This confirms Drive to Contacts sync worked. If you see duplicates, use Google Contacts Merge Tool or delete problematic rows in the sheet and re-import after cleaning. Make sure your Drive folders, sharing settings, and backup preferences are set, and enable offline access if you need contacts without internet. If import fails, check CSV encoding UTF-8 and column headers, then retry. Those are the most common causes of failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.